Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening. So, welcome to our presentation video for our OOP mini project, which we will talk about regarding our project, which is Safety and Security System Project. So, today we will discuss about the various aspects of this project, including the application of Java OOP concepts. So, I will moving on to the first part of our slide, which is the introduction. So, for introduction would be about our project to improve the visitor and user registration within the port and ensure the compliance with HSSC regulation and ISPS code. And for the proposed solution will be implement a comprehensive safety and security system. And moving on to the second slide, which is about our problem statement. So regarding our problem statement, we will take a closer look at it. So first of all, we will mention about the current needs. So in our project, we will mention about Tanjung Buras Port, which is a computerized system for managing vehicle entry permits and also permanent entry permits. And secondly, which it uses the manual process, which relies on paper forms, which fill up by the visitors and processed by the port safety and security department. When it comes to this using rely on paper forms, it also have a separate process, which is photos for PEPs and taken with a digital camera, and outsourced to a local photo studio, which incurs additional charges. And for the need for efficiency for the project, we will have a streamlined system, which is needed to reduce the cost and also improve efficiency. So next up, I will pass to Aiman for the current challenges.
Okay, thank you, Hakim. For our current challenges, we have manual processing. TBP current method is time-consuming and prone to errors. Secondly, it outsources photo processing. PEP photos are processed externally, adding unnecessary costs. Thirdly, its cost inefficiency. Low fees for VEP and PEP do not cover the cost of outsourcing photo processing. Fourthly, it has lost revenue. The current system result in lost revenue due to external vendor expenses. Nextly, I want to cover our objective. Our objective are primarily is to design, develop, and implement a control program for the SNS. Streamline process, the issuance process for BEP and PEP at TBP. Thirdly, it regularly compliance, ensuring compliance with HSSC regulation and ISPS code. Uh, Lastly, it provide a cost-effective and efficient solution for managing visitor and user registration. Nextly, I want to pass for Nurul.
Thank you, Aiman, for presenting about the current challenges and also the objective of our project. So next, I will present about the project design, which is a comprehensive UML class diagram, which include attributes and also the method. So as we can see in the diagram, it illustrates the relationship between the safety and security system classes. So we can now see uh, the main interface of this project is the permit interface. So and then a few classes, which is the uh, abstract PEP, vehicle entry pass, and then it's generalized from the interface permit, and then we extend it. So in the PEP inherit from the VEP abstract class. So next, from the main interface permit, also we can see group visitor class, location class, purpose class, RNU class, and also charge codes. So all the classes is related to the main interface permit. So as we can see, the relationship in between group visitor is association aggregation relationship, which is it relate to the permit interface. So the interface permit, we have the main interface for our system. So here, as we can see, we have the attribute, which is the RNU, identity type, name, so on and so forth. And also we have the the method, which is get RNU, get amount, get total amount, and so on. So all the classes is uh, used in this project. So next I will explain briefly about the project output, which is this is the interface of our menu for SNS. So as we can see here, we have three main menu, which is the manage VEP, and also the easy. So we can choose enter our choice, which is if we want to go to the sub menu of manage VEP, we can insert one into the enter your choice. So the second next slide please. The second slide that we can see as the mentioned here is the menu for manage VEP, vehicle entry permit. So here we can see different choice of the menu. So if you want to go to the create new VEP, we can enter our choice one. So here we have about 7. So second is view all VEP record, update existing VEP record, search VEP by name, delete VEP record, export VEP records to text file, and also the back to the main menu. So we also have another project output, which is VEP submenu 1, which is create new VEP. Here we can enter our information related, which is, for example, the passport number, NRIC number, uh, name, company name, vehicle number, contact number. Okay, then we can press enter, and then the record is being created to new VEP. And then if we choose the submenu 2, which is view all VEP, we can see the uh, list of records of our VEPs. Next, VEP submenu 3, which is the update existing VEP record. As we can see here, this is the interface for update existing VEP record. Next, VEP submenu 4, which is search VEP by name. Here we can perform search operation. We can enter keyword to search. For example, we enter name. So here we try to enter Khairi. Okay. So next, for the submenu 5, which is delete VEP record by ID. So here we can perform the delete operation by entering ID to delete the record. Okay, next, the last submenu 6, which is the export VEP record to a text file. Here we can see we can choose 6 to export VEP record to text file. When we choose 6, then the export operation is being performed, and then it being export to the export vep.txt file, text file. I think that's all from me. Then I will pass to Khairi.
To continue, this is our uh, our main menu for our system, safety and security system. As you can see, our console displaying welcome to safety and security system, and given 3 options. 1, manage VEP, 2, manage VEP, and 3, exit. So into your choice, we will enter number 1 for VEP, and then if we want to create new vehicle entry permit, we'll enter 1 again. Then we will put our NRIC passport or passport number, name, company name, and vehicle number, and contact number. Okay, and then if you want to view all the VEP record, we'll put we'll enter the number 2 to view all the record. And then to search, we will enter number 4. We will, for example, maybe we put in KJ, and then here's the result from the record. And then, for example, we want to export all the record into text files. We will enter the number 6, and then export VB. All the record is exported to text files. Finally, thank you, and we would like to thank our group members for participating in this project, and also our lecturer, Dr. Suraidi binti Alisha, for the knowledge shared. Okay, thank you.